I am really excited about this product. So this is a light up display for your vehicle. It can also be used for different places in your home, whether it's a game room, a bedroom, anything you want to use for decoration. It has this little protective film on there. I'm going to leave that on until I'm ready to install it in my vehicle. It also comes with these 4 gel pads to adhere to the device itself and then place on the window of the vehicle you're going to do, or on the back for if you're going to place it on a wall in a space in your home. The cord it comes with has a USB-C end as well as a USB end, so you can adapt that to whatever you need. If your vehicle only has USB-C ports, there is an adapter to put onto the USB so it'll work in your vehicle like my vehicle does. So super easy to use. It has all sorts of fun little displays and pictures that are in the app that has a QR code to scan to download to work with the device. There are super fun things. You can also add in words and have different displays. When you plug it in, there's just a teeny little USB-C port right here. When you plug it in, it'll turn on and you can see it immediately has a fun little display. It just keeps rotating through a car with different colors. There's lots of different pictures and things you can do. There was some cool Pac-Man ones, different things, video game themed ones. This would be really fun in my son's game room or in his bedroom. I thought it would be funny to have the idea of go to bed or shut your TV off messages I can put in through the app. Super fun. The cord is extra long so you can feed it through your vehicle to the back window if you wanted to place it back there. Really cool item. And like I said, on the manual that comes with it, there's a QR code so you can download the app that works with it. I'll show you just a super quick clip of that as well. Really such a cool item. I'm excited about all the fun features that it can do. Okay, so I have the app downloaded. As you can see, I am in the downloads option, but there's a big menu on there. You can go in and link your device to the light. There's lots of different things. You can upload free draw settings. You can turn down the brightness. So you can see it got a little less bright. If I click up, it'll get more intense. I love the customization that's available on here. So it says send to device. It says lights. I don't know if you can tell that. I'm gonna go in through downloads and just see what fun options they have. They have different eyeball options. You could have your car have some eyes on there. Let's see it real quick. There we go. So cool. Such a unique item. I've seen stuff like this before. Really, really a cool item. Such a fun, unique piece. Gotta love it. Okay, so here you can see I've got a sequence. I've got the Pac-Man with the ghosts. We've got a piranha plant from a favorite game, and then some characters that will come in. And I love that I can have a rotating set of different schemes that come on, different themes. There's lots of fun things you can display on it. You can also do custom words, custom drawings. But I loved these pre-loaded options so much. But again, I love that you can do a sequence and just have it keep rotating through the different ones that you choose.